Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to fix shortcuts not working on iPhone. So one of the ways to fix that problem, go ahead to your settings and then scroll a little bit down till you find your shortcuts, right? And after you find your shortcuts, click on it and basically turn off the iCloud sync, close the settings, right? Close it and then go ahead again to the settings and then just turn on the iCloud sync, and that should fix your problem. And basically what I'm going to do next, in order to fix that problem permanently, go back to your screen, go ahead to your shortcuts and basically delete the shortcuts that are no longer working with you by clicking delete right here. All right, basically you're going to be able to delete the shortcuts, and afterwards what you're going to do, click the plus button at the top right, click the suggestion, I'm going to click send message and hit done at the top right. And basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead or go back to my screen, and then that should fix your problem after you added the shortcut. If that didn't work out for you, go ahead to your settings and then go back right here to the settings, main settings, go ahead to the general and then go ahead to the iPhone storage. In the iPhone storage, what you're gonna do next, you're gonna be able to see all of your apps and everything. So you're gonna wait it out for a few moments right here until the basically iPhone storage opens up. Basically you're gonna just try to find the shortcuts, and afterwards just offload the app without needing to unload some of the unnecessary data on your iPhone, and you're gonna be able to get it back. And then as you can see right here, scroll a little bit down till you find your shortcuts, right? And after you find the shortcuts, click on it and basically upload the app. And by uploading the app, you're going to be able to release some unnecessary data and then go ahead and reinstall the app once again. So that should fix your problem. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.